strike. One more time. Kap Kwan Kong Kyuck. Back knuckle strike. Good. So start by making a regular fist. Good. This time, instead of focusing on the front or the bottom, we're going to focus on the back of the hand. Again, still focusing on these two focus knuckles that we use for punching. So the back knuckle strike, we can throw it in variation of stances. We can throw it in a fighting stance, we can throw it in a front stance, or we can throw it in a spinning forward stance. I'll show all three versions of it. Back knuckle is targeting the sides of the head. Good. So we're going to start by having one hand across and one hand chamber. This hand's going to come out, and back. Good. Reset, and back. Reset, nice and slow. Out, in. Other side. Out, in. One more time with power. Good. Again, this is a very fast, effective strike. Used in sparring, used in self-defense. It's very effective strike. Good. Let's show it in a front stance first. All right, here's the back knuckle strike in a front stance. Fighting stance. Front stance, other side. Fighting stance, other side. And last one, spinning back knuckle strike, much like the spinning bottom fish strike. So we're going to start the bottom hand is going to be our strike neck. Top hand is our chamber neck. We're going to spin into the horse and bring it back. Bottom hand, spin, bring it back. Good. That is our back knuckle strike, or Kap Kwan Kong Kyuck in Korean. Practice what you learn, pick it up. Hello everybody, let's look at what our back knuckle strike looks like on the target. Good, so the back knuckle or the back of our hand is striking to the sides of the hand. That's its number one target time. Let's look what it looks like. And that's what our back knuckle strike looks like on a target.